there any indulgence of politicians in these stereotypes? Because I think it would be possible, I think maybe possible, I think that without having the indulgence of the politicians, they won't be able to do some kind of attack in India. So what do you think about it?
Yes, I think that they have support from anybody, because to attack in another country it's not an easy task. So I consider that they have support from another country.
But they are biting the bullet because of that. They are biting the bullet, and it's absolutely a recipe of anarchy which they did earlier. What do you think about it? They used to come in their background cars with the high command. Okay. So I am asking you a very simple question: that is there any indulgence of any politician to conduct some type of terror attack in India? What do you think about it? Yeah.
It may be possible India's politicians involved in terror attack of our country.
Likewise, the closing statement which I am talking to you, because we discussed two issues today in half an hour. The first issue is Mr. Chang, and the second issue is the 26/11 terror attack. So first of all, I would like to ask the first topic question to all of you guys. Please be ready. Yeah. To Ms. Shivani, Ms. Sumit, Mr. Sumit and Ms. Devi. So, first of all, I would like to ask a very simple question to Ms. Shivani. And Shivani, the question is that, what do you think about Mr. Chang? Why, we should behave like a Chang? Our Indians should behave like a Chang. So, why they didn't behave like a Chang? Tell me. If you talk about politicians or Indian men, a person who is having a power in India, why he is not behaving like Mr. Chang? Why the artist has now become an entrepreneur? Instead of becoming artists, why they have now become an entrepreneur? Why they have a main motive to make more and more and more money instead of doing something for the welfare of the society? What do you think about it? What do you think about Mr. Chang?
Mr. Chang is a good man, and I think he likes the children.
Mrs. Sumit, I'm asking you the same question.
If we say about Mr. Chang, he is a good man, he is a great man for us. He is a great man for the underprivileged children. And second thing is that our government is very busy in do corruption. They have no time to do good work.
Mr. Sumit, I'm not compatible with it actually. I don't think that it is the right answer of my question. I'm asking you a very simple question in a very crystal clear manner. The question is that why the artist? If you talk about artists, because if you talk about Mr. Chang is an artist. Okay, he is a magician. But if you talk about our artists like Sonu Nigam, like Shreya Ghoshal, like all these kind of artists, why they have now become an entrepreneur? Why they can't behave like an artist? Why they can't do anything for the welfare of the society? But if you will compare this Shreya Ghoshal and these kind of singers to Mr. Chang is a genius magician. He went to India and doing something for the poverty-stricken parents, for the poverty-stricken child. I'm asking you a very simple question. What do you think about it? Because if you talk about the Hyderabad, what do you think about it? Because previously we saw that they didn't do anything for the welfare of the society. We don't talk about that artist, but Mr. Chang is doing something for the welfare of the society of Indians. And the main thing is, and the bottom line is that he is behaving like a patriot, but initially he is not Indian. So can we say this, that a foreigner can come in India and can just reconstruct and can just rebuild the energy of India, the India style. But if we talk about our India artists, they are not having a time to do something for the welfare of the society because they have now become an entrepreneur instead of becoming an artist. What do you think about it?
They have no time, they do not think about the children. They only think that when their next in their next when they are what is in their next so they are not think about the underprivileged children.
Okay. So, what do you think about it?
I think our Indian artists have it's a guilty and shameless tendency of our artists. Any Kenya person came to India and to make a disadvantaged people, disadvantaged children, and is not belong in India, but is a nation of India.
Don't you think so that our artists like Shreya Ghoshal, like these kind of singers like Sonu Nigam and these kind of actors and singers and celebrities, they have now become an entrepreneur, they have now become a businessman. That if you will pay money, they will perform. They are not artists at all. They are not artists. They can't they can't do something to perform their art. They will do if they have to do their performance, they have to pay that. Okay, so don't you think so that it's like a Domino's pizza outlet where you have to pay some amount of pizza amount and then you will get the pizza. So they are not behaving like an entrepreneur. They are behaving like a businessman. Because if we talk about Mr. Chang is not an entrepreneur. Mr. Chang is not doing that. He is doing the no pain no gain. He is not applying that formula actually. He is not saying this that you have to pay up money then we will perform. No, he is doing something for the welfare of the society. But what kind of artists they are? They have now become an entrepreneur. All they have now become an entrepreneur. If you talk about, I'm not talking about the singers, I'm not targeting singers actually. I'm not having a first standing against singers. I'm just saying is that everybody in Bollywood has now become a this kind of entrepreneur. So what do you think about it regarding that particular topic? The closing statement of both of you regarding that particular patient issue. Then we will close it. Your time starts now. Chairman.
I think it's right. India artists have no any entrepreneur in disadvantaged people direction of source, and this issue is not this issue is not initiative in our artists. They like a businessman, and they have no sympathy in any underprivileged children.
Sure.
I agree.
The closing statement.
And they open his business. So they are teaching them dance, they are teaching them song, anything, and they take money from them. So it's a business for him. They not think about them. They take a good money. They take a good amount. They take a huge amount from them to teach them, teach them song, anything.
Sure. You want to say something? So appreciating your joining, guys. Appreciating your joining because we did so much event take regarding that particular crucial issue, like Mr. Chang Amazing India. It was a show Amazing India which was hosted by Times Now. Here, so appreciating your joining to all of you guys. And tomorrow we will discuss some other issue. So today debate is over. Thank you very much. Just stop the recording.